This video gives you guidelines on how to solve the water leaking problems in your AC. You no need to be an expert in AC mechanics. You can service yourself at home by using basic tools. As you see, there are some water droplets dripping from my AC. First step is to open the front grill by pulling the tabs on both sides and lift it up until it stops with a click. Then pull out the air filter. Most of the AC cooling problems will be solved if you remove the dust from the air filter. Just below the swing blades, we have two sets of screw which we have to remove to open the front cover. Some ACs will have 3 sets. We have plastic locks over the top of AC, so care must be taken while opening the cover. Separate the display unit from the front cover and remove the front cover completely from the AC unit. Now I have removed the front cover completely by loosening all the screws. As you see, there are a lot of dust which is to be cleaned properly. This is swing blade motor. Loosening the screws of motor will give you enough space to see the drain valve. See, this is the drain pipe. The blockage of this pipe leads to water dripping. This is the first time I am opening the AC since I bought. See how much dust is there. So I am using a spring rod to clear the blockage. Keep the front cover and swing blade outside for drying. Put the front cover and tighten the screws properly and put the air filter as it was before. I have switched on the AC and kept it for half an hour. See, now there is no water droplets.